Hi, my name is Yun Hao, the Product Manager of IFM Electronic Asia Regional Office. Today, I would like to take the chance to discuss with you about an assembly application. In this video, you can see the white color box that we have with a lid. Have you wondered how can we check the quality or condition of the assembly, or how well the lid is actually put on, whether it's good or not? Do you think about using multiple single point laser sensor, or maybe some complex vision or camera system? Well, today I would like to introduce you to our latest profiler, contour sensor, which is very easy to set up using just the push button on the sensor itself without the need of any additional software. And this profiler basically works by using the laser line that you see in the video to pick up the contour of the particular object. And then it compares with a good reference which is supposed to be the good condition or a reference product. Now let's take a look at what happens if we put a product which doesn't have a proper assembly. So as you can see from the video, the sensor output actually switched off and with a low matching value. So prior to this, I actually taught the sensor to a proper assembled condition. And I actually set the set point at 93%. So now let's take a look at what happens if we were to have a proper assembly condition. As you can see in the video, the output actually switches on and the matching value actually increases. So with this, it's very easy to actually solve such an application. One big plus point of this profiler is that it doesn't require any additional accessory like illuminating lighting, which may require by other vision sensor out in the market. So this could also reduce the cost of implementing such a solution. Well, I hope you enjoy this video and have a better understanding of how actually our profiler works. Thank you.